Breath retreats. We've been getting a lot of questions about the breath retreats coming up in 2026, and we thought it would be most efficient to just answer these live and loud on a big Zoom chat. So a few of the questions that have come in recently have been, what do I wear at breath retreat? That should be the top one you're asking yourself. Will I be able to access different chakras during the breathwork sessions? What kind of breathwork do you do? Can I drink beer? We just got that one from yesterday. What other jewelry is allowed while I am breathing? So the answer to all of those questions is yes, but to save us the tendonitis of writing all of those responses back over and over again, we thought it would just be better to all get together virtually. So that's what we're going to be doing at the date and on the link listed below. We'll have a couple of the other breathworkers there to answer additional questions. Hopefully see you soon.